Hello, making a quick little how-to on the LEX050 large drill attachment for the XT3000. It's going to come with these three things here. So we have the alignment assembly, then we've got the sharpening port, and of course the chuck. Drill's not included. What you're going to want to do to get this thing started, this is actually mount on top of your machine. It's a little easier to show it here on the countertop. You want to find a point where the drill is just loose enough to slide in and out of there. And we're going to put this little dog here right inside that little notch. So once on top of the machine, slide this in here. Next step, you have these two posts coming out of the end here. You want to make sure that your flutes are touching those posts. So see how the drill rotates over? And once you get it set there, that's when you're going to tighten it down. So now that we have it tightened, we're going to sharpen a little bit and make sure our relief's good. But if you need more relief, you're going to move this knob this way, just a couple of lines at a time. If you need less relief, this knob this way, just a couple lines at a time. And there's a great video on alignment on our site as well. Let's move on to sharpening. In order to set up your large drill attachment, we've removed the standard sharpening fixture here. You just put the large drill attachment in its place, lock it down, and the alignment fixture goes up on top. Lock that down as well. Make sure your drill's just a little bit loose. And then push it up against the stop here. Make sure that your cutting edges are touching onto these posts. Once it's aligned, tighten it down, pull it out, start your machine. It's a good idea to rotate the sharpening fixture out a little bit so that when you insert the drill, it doesn't touch the wheel. Make sure the flat side of your chuck is up against the bearing, and go ahead and start twisting. Now it's a good idea to make sure that your relief is good before you continue sharpening all the way. Our chisel line looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. And there you have it, friends. We've got a sharp drill. One last note I wanted to make is that if you find your machine's not removing enough material, you can adjust the material takeoff by adjusting this post here. On the back side, you'll find an Allen wrench fits in. Rotating clockwise is going to cause the post to push this way, which will remove less material of your drill. Rotating counterclockwise will bring the post in, which will remove more material. If you have any issues, go ahead and reach out to us, and happy sharpening!